Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about setting business hours, why I've set business hours, and how it has drastically improved and benefited my life and business. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's do this. So a lot of people in the network marketing, or what I like to call unethical space, will demonize the 8 to 5, 9 to 5 work hours and tell you that you shouldn't be beholden to those hours, that you should be allowed to work whenever you want, from the comfort of your phone, from the comfort of wherever, to have time freedom, location freedom. And the truth is, that's not entirely true. You shouldn't, at any hour of the day, be beholden to your business. There should, at some point, be a hard stop. So what I do in my business is I work Monday through Friday from 8 to 4:30. Now, I may, if it's a client that has already signed a contract, meet with them after 4:30 if that's just the only time that we can both collectively meet. But for the most part, I work Monday through Friday, 8 to 4:30. Before 8 a.m., after 4:30 on Saturdays and Sundays, I'm not working. And that's okay. It's okay if you own a business to say, you know what? I deserve the genuine time freedom to not have to be on some Zoom call on a Saturday morning. I spend Saturday mornings having breakfast at my mom's house. Every Saturday like clockwork. Well, most Saturdays. I have breakfast at her house. And at this point, I don't even need to text her that I'm coming over for breakfast on a Saturday morning because she's already expecting me. Am I going to give up a lovely Saturday morning with my mother because work? No, I'm not. So having strict business hours has also helped me in the sense that, okay, if I can only work Monday through Friday, 8 to 4:30, that means I need to be really efficient with my time and how I work, because I don't want to be sitting on my desk at 7 p.m. doing some design work at night. And specifically, and only speaking of myself, any work that I produce in the morning is far better quality.